Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the vibrant and diverse culture of Pakistan. From its rich history to its modern-day marvels, Pakistani culture is a tapestry of traditions, art, music, and cuisine that is sure to fascinate you. Let's get started. Pakistan, a country located in South Asia, has a history that dates back thousands of years. It was home to the ancient Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's oldest, and has since been influenced by a variety of cultures including Persian, Greek, Arab, and British. This blend of influences has created a unique and rich cultural heritage. Language is a significant aspect of Pakistani culture. Urdu, the national language, is a beautiful and poetic language that connects people across the country. Pakistan is also home to numerous regional languages such as Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi, each with its own rich literary traditions. Renowned poets like Allama Iqbal have contributed immensely to Urdu literature, inspiring generations with their profound poetry. Pakistani music is as diverse as its people. From the soulful Sufi music of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan to contemporary pop and rock bands like Junoon, the musical landscape is vibrant and eclectic. Traditional instruments like the sitar, tabla, and dhol bring a distinct flavor to Pakistani music. Dance forms like the classical Kathak and folk dances, such as Bhangra and Atan, are integral to cultural celebrations and festivals. Pakistani art is renowned for its intricate designs and vibrant colors. Truck art, a popular form of street art, transforms ordinary vehicles into moving masterpieces. Traditional crafts like hand-woven carpets, pottery, and embroidery showcase the incredible skill and creativity of Pakistani artisans. These crafts are not just beautiful, but also tell stories of the country's history and heritage. No exploration of Pakistani culture is complete without mentioning its cuisine. Pakistani food is a delightful fusion of flavors, spices, and aromas. From the rich and hearty biryani and nahari to the sweet delicacies like gulab jamun and jalebi, the cuisine is a feast for the senses. Street food, such as samosas and pakoras, adds to the culinary adventure, offering a taste of everyday life in Pakistan. Festivals play a significant role in Pakistani culture. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha are celebrated with great enthusiasm, marked by communal prayers, feasts, and charity. Basant, the spring festival, is famous for its kite-flying competitions and colorful festivities. These celebrations are a testament to the country's communal harmony and joyous spirit. Pakistan is a country of incredible diversity and rich cultural heritage. Its traditions, art, music, and cuisine reflect the spirit and resilience of its people. We hope this glimpse into Pakistani culture has inspired you to learn more and perhaps even visit this fascinating country. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting cultural journeys. Until next time, thanks for watching.